Okay, so it's delivery day. Hey, Mike. What's up? So it's delivery day for the Ferrari. Really excited to deliver this car to the customer. It freaking looks awesome, just awesome. We did gold wheels on it. We did some gold stripes. The main thing he brought it in for, surprisingly, was a big, huge dent on the hood. We wrapped this car about 2 years ago with paint protection film up front, ceramic coated it. I think we even tinted the windows on it. I can't remember, it's been a while. But he brought it back to have big, nasty dent taken out of the hood, and I wasn't even sure if I could fix it or not. So, fixed that. We had to remove the paint protection film and then replace it. And so this is what we've got here. Spin the camera around so you can check this out. It is. Now I know you're probably looking at that gold stripe saying, wow, that's beautiful. The dents were along here, right along this ridge here. There was a big one and a big one here, and then there was like a crown back here and a crown way down here. It was kind of crazy. It's an aluminum hood, really stiff and rigid. Didn't think I was going to be able to fix it. And while it was here, we had been talking about doing some type of stripe package on this, and he didn't want to go too crazy with it, but he wanted it to stand out a little more. I mean, really, like a Ferrari doesn't already stand out, right? But I told him that I wanted to do gold stripes and gold wheels on it, and he wasn't sure. I sent him some pictures of ones that I've seen on the internet in other parts of the country, and he liked it, but he wasn't sure. And now that it's done, I think he's just going to be blown away. He didn't want me to send him any pictures. He's going to be here any minute to pick it up. He didn't want me to send any pictures because he wanted to be totally surprised by the car. We did put Ceramic Pro on top of all the vinyl decals, and we applied Ceramic Pro wheel and caliper to the wheels. And that wheel color is custom matched to the vinyl. So it cost about an extra 230 bucks to get that custom color. And our wheel guy said what they do is they strip the old finish off, put the powdered primer down, and then they shoot the color like an automotive paint, and then they powder coat on top of that. I'm not too well versed in powder coating, so just relaying what he's told me that they've done. So it seemed like an involved process, but this thing looks freaking awesome, just phenomenal. And these wheels look totally factory. Finish on here is just flawless. That's it for now. Waiting for the customer to show up. I'm super excited to deliver this car. I know it doesn't seem like a whole lot that we've done to it, but it sure makes a big difference on that car. See you guys later.